Hey guys, today we're going to be practicing finding the volume of basically composite shapes. So what that means is you're going to be finding a rectangular prism volume of more than one shape put together. So I really like these notes because they're color-coded, so we can work through each piece. So first off on slide 1, I've got a blue rectangular prism and a purple one. And so down at the bottom, there are the numbers that align to each of the sides. So for the first one, starting with the blue figure, I always use the length as the one out in front. So I consider this one the length of 5. So I'm going to just drag that up to the top. And then the width is the one going back. Now here's the issue with the blue one. I can't see that width, but I can make sense of this problem and realize that the purple one and the blue one are the same width back. So the width for this one must be 8. And then I'm looking at the heights. So because the purple one is 13, the blue one must be as well since they are the same heights. And then you just do that math. And I don't know the answer to that. 40 times 13 is 520. Sorry, I was using my calculator. And then starting with this purple one, you're going to do the same thing. The length is 4. The width is 8. And the height is 13. That one's a lot easier to see. So the challenge for us today is actually going to be making sense of the problem and figuring out which numbers I'm using. So 4 times 8 is 32, times 13 is 416. And then it's called additive volume, meaning I want to know the total volume. So I'm going to add those two numbers, 520 plus 416. And I get 936. And the label's already here for us, centimeters cubed. I'm going to go ahead and do another one, and then I'll let you work on these on your own. So the next one is an orange figure and a red one, both rectangular prisms. So starting with the orange one, I see a length of 5. And then, a width. Doesn't match on the orange one, but there is one on the red one. So the width is 3. Always when I'm on the video, like my cursor doesn't want to work as well. And the height is also 3. See? Like jinxed me. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 3 is 45. Now here's the red one, and here's what we're having issues with. This font that's used is really small. I feel like you can see it on my screen better than you might be able to on your screen, but the length of the red shape is 11. Now in my class that I just had, a lot of students said it looked like 1. I totally understand that it does look like 1. But here's the thing, let's make sense of this problem. If I have a length of 5 for my orange box, can I have a length of 1 for this red one? I can't. That doesn't make any sense at all. So making sense of the problem, it has to be 11. The width is 3. And the height is 6. So I'm going to do 33 times 6 times 6, and I get 198. And then adding those together, 45 plus 198, I believe is 243. It is. Okay. So the other two slides, same thing you're going to do. The fourth slide has 3 boxes, and then you're finished. I want to go over your assignment really quickly. So what I suggest you do is drawing a line tool, separate your figure if you like. I tend to be more of a vertical person, so I cut my shapes vertically. You obviously can cut them however you want. Some people have been cutting them horizontally and whatnot. Another option that my second period did is they took a screenshot of the one they were working on, and they went to Awe App and they copied and pasted it there. That's a perfect idea because then they can draw on the screen and whatnot. If you don't know how to screenshot, I can't do it on my Chromebook because I'm on my Latitude, but Control-Shift button above the 6, you can like drag out what you want to take a picture of, and then you copy it. And then Control V, you can paste it into app and write on the screen. It's a really cool tool. I think somebody in my class also used Jamboard as well, so that's another option. I like this assignment because it's a little bit difficult, but you also have the answer options at the bottom so you can check your work. And then slide 2 does not have answer options, but you're only doing 3 of them. And then you have to do some true or false questions at the bottom. So again, if you have any questions on this or need help with anything, please feel free to email me. I'll go over how to do that. If you could screenshot the one you're working on, though, that would be a lot more helpful. I can actually write on it and send an email back to you. So have a great day.